MEP workflows often suffer from fragmented analysis, inconsistent system logic, and gaps between design intent and fabrication-ready outputs. Revit 2027 delivers a more cohesive MEP workflow, strengthening the connection between design intent and production output through cleaner energy models, system-driven HVAC logic, and fabrication-ready detailing across energy analysis, HVAC design, and fabrication. Let's begin with energy analysis. Revit 2027 enhances analytical geometry generation with enhanced clipping and more consistently closed energy model edges. Surface fragmentation is reduced, improving simulation stability and minimizing cleanup before export. Energy model settings now display only relevant controls, reducing configuration errors and ambiguity. The new Energy Model Guide walks through critical Revit project setup steps, including room bounding links, facing, perimeter zones, glazing percentages, and construction types before model creation. Together, these improvements produce a cleaner analytical model and more reliable performance outcomes. You spend less time troubleshooting geometry and more time analyzing results. Building on that analytical clarity, Revit 2027 advances HVAC design. Legacy HVAC zones upgrade automatically to system zones when a project is opened. Documentation intent is preserved, ensuring drawing integrity. System-based properties now align directly with analytical tools. Default legacy zone creation is removed, reducing hidden dependencies. Zoning becomes cleaner, more predictable, and fully aligned with performance studies. The Radiant Time Series method for cooling load calculations now operates directly on system zones and is accessible from the Analyze tab in a streamlined dialog. The building service and infiltration class is now defined within the same workflow, generating standard load reports aligned with zoning logic. This tighter integration reduces interpretation gaps between zoning, loads, and equipment sizing. Equipment selection is supported by traceable, system-based data. Revit 2027 also strengthens MEP fabrication, where geometry precision and data integrity determine production readiness. Edit seams, air turns, and stiffeners directly, and define gored elbow segment quantities with precision. Built-in parameters expose system abbreviation, pattern number, material weight, duct weight, volume, and valve handle position. These values are taggable and schedulable. Detailed models become fabrication-ready earlier in the workflow, improving coordination between design, detailing, and shop execution. Ongoing updates to the MEP content editor provide faster workflows, enhanced desktop and cloud synchronization, a streamlined homepage with flexible views, renaming, and more powerful search and filtering. Data tables now support copying and pasting, calculation support, and autocomplete filtering, with up to 50% faster performance in high-volume workflows. The Relationship Manager has also been upgraded to offer clearer visibility into upstream and downstream connections. Revit 2027 reinforces your MEP workflow. Energy analysis becomes dependable. Zoning and load calculations operate on unified system logic. Fabrication parts provide greater flexibility for detailing and documentation. Apply these new capabilities in your projects and raise the standard of your MEP deliverables. For a detailed breakdown of everything included in this release, explore the Help Release notes or watch the complete feature series on our YouTube channel.